Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, and if you've been following along this journey, we've been all throughout the Caribbean. And in this video, we are going to be taking you on an epic tour of the beautiful Pitons here in Saint Lucia. Our day started here at the beautiful Landings Resort and Spa, where we enjoyed another breakfast overlooking the water, and it was already time to make our way over to the crew over at Sea Spray Cruises, and we want to do a special thank you and shout out to them for hosting us today.
I was looking online, I saw they do many different tours via land or by boat.
And so that's why we have partnered with them today to bring you and showcase the best and the most top attractions here in Saint Lucia. Alright, first step, we are taking a shuttle. Getting picked up to go to the Catamaran.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind.
Look at this, so excited. I can get used to this now that I've learned to sail yesterday. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so much fun.
Hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting.
Alright, this is where we're staying here. Pretty full. I'll show you around. Trampolines, bar area. We got the sails. That would go up there. And the sitting area.
This is going to be an epic day. Here in the distance, you can see where we're staying over at the Landings Resort. It is just over there, and then you've got Pigeon Island there. For in the distance, you can see Martinique. Castries Harbor, that's what I was wondering. That's where we came in by ship.
Capital City over there.
Feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me.
We see the Pitons Mountains. We're so close.
What an epic day. We have perfect weather, blue skies, like not a raindrop to be seen, and oh my gosh, this is like one of those bucket list experiences for sure.
This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet.
Look at these Pitons Mountains.
Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
Okay, so something iconic and you must see when you come to Saint Lucia is the two Pitons Mountains, which are there, but we just went by. It was so cool to go by boat because you can really see how big they are. But basically, they're two dormant volcanoes, and I believe one of them, or a volcano in the area, you can actually drive in. So that's what we're about to go do. We're gonna do a couple activities on land, and then we're gonna go back out and then do some swimming.
Little shuttle bus here.
First stop is the Toraille Waterfall.
Do you see any unusual signs? Mountain goats freaking out, birds going for higher ground. This guy running to the bus. You run with him. We're out of there in 5 minutes or less.
So our next stop here is to the Sulfur Springs, where we're gonna go just enjoy the mud bath. They told us it would smell like sulfur, but it actually smells like India.
No, it's like a flower they use, or an essential incense. Yeah, it's incense. Now it's starting to smell that like sulfur smell, like Rotorua, New Zealand. Not a good mixture.
Incense and sulfur. You're gonna get a mask on. That's the mud in there. Lucia.
Oh, it's so warm. It's like a hot tub. I love hot springs. Yeah. It was so nice. It made my skin feel so soft and smooth, and the water was so nice and warm.
We always say, look, it's like Rotorua, but no, it's like Saint Lucia.
Alright, next up is lunch here at the restaurant, which is great because my belly was starting to growl on that bus.
They're like these little cute cabins, all colorful. Pretty nice.
Look at how cute and colorful the bathrooms are. I love them. Something interesting that I learned is that the way they make pepper sprays with nutmeg. I did not know that. And papaya is very popular, like it grows here and stuff, so they have papaya ice cream and it's very popular. Also, they filmed some scenes of Pirates of the Caribbean here, just like what we saw in St. Vincent.
Yeah. Thank you. This is amazing because we had some delicious Caribbean food.
Yummy food.
So good.
Okay, so far all in the Caribbean, the food has been very similar, but always a unique, little different taste to it. Like the lentils,
A little bit of
yeah,
Indian taste.
it's good. For dessert, we got these I believe they're called coconut fritters, but sometimes they can be plantains or bananas, and they look like this, like donuts.
Yeah, it's like a true original donut, and it's way better than any donut I've ever had.
So good. It's been an epic day with Sea Spray cruises. I've been able to be in fresh spring water with the waterfall, then the mud Sulfur pools at the hot springs, and now we're gonna be swimming and snorkeling in the Caribbean Sea. Like, you get all three in one day.
All right, now is some time for some amazing snorkeling and a beautiful sun-filled sky tour back.
I just want to say Sulfur, where we are right now, was where the French first came and had their capital in town. Well, in this country, basically, in Saint Lucia. So Saint Lucia used to be colonized by the French.
Saint Lucie.
I don't know if I've seen anything so pretty here. It's gorgeous with all the little boats and the homes and the colorful buildings, and then the petite Pitons.
Stand the heat. It's raining on my side of town. I've been carrying the storm.
They call the name of their beer Piton.
And now the pulse getting stronger, like the moon finally arrived. Here comes that.
We ready? I think so. We're not supposed to step on sea orchard.
We're gonna go out on the kayak.
They're dancing and then chugging beer.
Yeah, this was some kind of silly dance competition that I somehow was volunteered to do.
Switch.
In the clouds, can you bring me back down, boy? I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it.
was such a great tour. Let me tell you about it in 2 seconds.
I'm cool with the sun. Oh, yeah,
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest.
So basically, pricing to go on with Sea Sprays is basically just over $100 US. I'm putting the link to their website below. With that, you get the whole tour. So you get the full boat experience.
Drinks are included.
Drinks.
You have the lunch on a restaurant.
And a beautiful restaurant.
All
It
the
includes the
entrance
entrance fees to the waterfalls, to the mud baths.
It's
And
amazing.
it's a full 8 hours. Full 8 hours or more actually. No, 8 hours. Full 8-hour tour. It was absolutely amazing. And epic.
Definitely try it. It's amazing.
And it's definitely must do in here in Saint Lucia. So thanks so much for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified of our next country, because we don't know where we're going to next either. So you gotta be notified if you want to know. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.